Like, for real. And I'm fucked up and said gravel. Watch it turn to gravel. Holy shit, that's a groove. It's like the ruts are so deep in this road, and it's kind of washboarded across the ruts. It's like, I don't know if it shows up on camera. It's not really like washboard, but those kind of lines going across it from like left to right. And then the actual grooves in the road are so deep that it's like, holy shit. You know? I do not know where I'm at. I think I'm near Duke's cornfield.